Cleveland! And there's the XL 51. No, kind of went off. It's should have won. We're having some interference today. I don't think we're getting IWX because of it. There we go, PCC 47. Oh, hell no.
Test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
There we go. Let's go! We got the end of it. Oh! UMs! Here we go. Sarnia.
The warning advisory in effect until 11. Time this evening. Small craft advisory in effect.
WNG! How many of these are on? All of them.
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following.
Where's the HH film? God damn it, HH. Let's get foot!
This concludes the test of no other radio station DTX.
Prévision pour ce samedi, sous le pompier d'Eltic, suivi par environnement Canada à 11h. Le ralenti de l'Est, le mercredi 26
Nuance!